Here's what you need to know about Apple's Worldwide Developer Conference. Number 1 is watchOS 3. The main aim of the new watchOS is to make everything faster, from accessing your favourite apps to replying to a contact in a matter of seconds. One new feature is pressing the side button, which allows you to see all your favourite apps on one screen. They also added a control centre just like the iPhone. Smart Replies allow you to send pre-selected messages or write one of your own using your finger. They've also created new watch faces, such as Minnie Mouse or activity rings. The Apple Watch will also have a new emergency function that calls emergency services in any country. The app then sends messages to all emergency contacts to let them know your exact location. Apple have also created a new app called Breathe. Provides you with simple deep breathing sessions. Number 2 is tvOS. Apple have added even more video channels and apps to their list and made a new remote app that allows you to control your TV when you've lost the remote down the back of the sofa. Siri has now been given more power in tvOS and can now search for YouTube to find you entertaining content. Single sign-on allows you to create one password for all your apps so you don't have to authenticate your TV with your cable provider. Number 3 is OS X. Or should I say macOS? This is because Apple have now changed the name to fit with all their other OS names that they have created. The new macOS is called Sierra. One new feature in Sierra is Auto Unlock. This allows you to use Apple Watch to unlock your MacBook or iMac without having to type a password. One thing that I'm most excited for is Universal Clipboard. This allows you to copy and paste stuff from your phone to your Mac without using a cable. Apple Pay has now been introduced to macOS Sierra, so now when you click buy with Apple Pay when shopping online, you can use your fingerprint on your iPhone or tap the Apple Watch to confirm it. Picture-in-Picture has now been integrated into the new macOS, so now you can sneakily watch a video whilst pretending to do actual work. Siri has finally been added to Mac so you can use your favourite voice commands on your Mac. Number 4 is iOS 10. iOS 10 is Apple's most lengthy update. I can't tell you all or you'd be waiting here for hours, so I'll just give you the best bits. Raise to Wake allows you to check notifications by just picking up your phone. You can now use 3D Touch in lock screen notifications. Photos now has a Memories tab which gives you montages with music and titles based on what mood the memory is. It will do this automatically based on where you've been and when. Home on iOS 10 gives you full control of your automated home, and now you can use Siri to turn the lights or open the blinds. You can also set presets so when you wake up and say good morning to Siri, it will switch to the morning preset. Messages has had a massive update in iOS 10. Emojis are now 3 times bigger than before, and iPhone now gives suggestions on what emoji you should use. You can now add bubble effects which adds animations to your messages. There are now also going to be full screen effects available. Another great new feature to iOS 10 is invisible ink. So if you want a message to be a surprise, you can blur the text. And when your friend receives the message, they have to rub the text bubble to reveal the message. That's it for all the Apple news today. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Goodbye.